What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best printers in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For those seeking a quality product that is budget-friendly, the Canon PIXMA MG3620 comes highly recommended. This device is an excellent choice for those who don't require extra features. The Canon PIXMA MG3620 is an efficient wireless multifunction device tailored for individuals who prefer not to pay for unnecessary features. Although an LCD control panel for standalone operations and an automatic document feeder (ADF) for copying or scanning multiple documents are absent, the device compensates with a duplexer for double-sided printing. Furthermore, it outperforms most tasks faster than average. The highlight of this device is its ability to produce high-quality prints. The scanner plate is revealed when you lift the majority of the unit's top, which the scanner lid occupies. A control panel with buttons on the left side of the cover allows you to switch between standard letter-sized paper and 4x6-inch photo paper. However, other sizes are not accommodated. Given that it only has one paper tray, photo paper will need to be replaced when it's time to print photos. The color panel also includes buttons for color and black and white copies. Due to the absence of an LCD screen on the MG3620, the appropriate copy button must be pressed multiple times to create numerous copies. The MG3620 stands out as the fastest model in producing color copies, delivering an average copy in 27.3 seconds. Its scanning performance is superior to most competitors, capturing a 600 dpi photo image in just 39.4 seconds, significantly less than the category average of 1 to 22 seconds. The Canon MG3620 employs both color and pigment inks, the former in a color cartridge and the latter in a black cartridge. This method ensures that inks yield more vibrant colors, while pigment inks generate sharper, denser text. The MG3620 also produces high-quality prints with rich colors, bold dark shades, and sharp text. It excels at printing photos with radiant colors and crisp details, operating with one tricolor cartridge and one black cartridge. Canon offers high-yield versions of each. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The Brother MFC J1205W stands out as an exceptional value for money printer in 2024. As a multifunctional device, the MFC J1205W is equipped with a flatbed scanner, perfect for scanning and duplicating documents or images. In scenarios where the control panel isn't sufficient, Brother offers a built-in web interface for advanced configurations. Accessible through any web browser, including those on smartphones and tablets, this portal can be used for managing security, supplies, and reporting within your local network. The MFC J1205W is designed to handle a maximum monthly duty cycle of 2,500 pages, but it's recommended for a monthly print and copy volume of 1,000 pages. Its paper handling capabilities include a 150-sheet input tray and a 50-sheet output tray. According to Brother's promotional and support materials, the only software supplied with the MFC J1205W is the iPrint and Scan utility, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android platforms. However, Brother's download page reveals additional free apps for productivity and convenience, similar to what's offered with their high-volume machines. The MFC J1205W includes USB 2.0, 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi, and Wireless Direct as standard interfaces. With a rated speed of 16 monochrome pages per minute, ppm, it offers respectable performance for its price point. The 4 included ink cartridges are estimated to last a year, assuming your annual print and copy volume doesn't exceed 750 pages. This equates to roughly 63 black and white or 50 color pages per month. The MFC J1205W shines in its speed, producing a monochrome copy in just 10.8 seconds, significantly quicker than the average 15.9 seconds. It also delivers high-quality copies, accurately reproducing text and graphics. Scan quality is similarly impressive, although the device tends to increase exposure when scanning faces. In summary, the Brother MFC J1205W is an affordable printer offering high-quality images and speedy performance. Whether you're printing text, graphics, making copies, or scanning, this printer excels. Coupled with its low ink costs, it's a robust contender for routine office tasks. Considering its price, it's hard to find a better deal. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 is a top-tier printer in 2024, making it an exceptional choice if you're willing to invest in premium features. Epson's ET5850 stands out with its high-capacity ink tanks, a feature suggested by the EcoTank name. These tanks can hold a significant amount of ink, enabling the printer to produce thousands of pages without needing a refill, thus ensuring a highly cost-effective operation. Beyond its printing capabilities, this device also offers multifunctional features such as copying, scanning, and even faxing. It can store up to 200 speed dial numbers for faxing, adding to its convenience. Like the HP SmartTank 651, another notable ink tank printer, the ET5850 has transparent windows in its ink tanks, allowing you to track the ink level and plan your refills accordingly. This printer is designed to handle a monthly volume of up to 3,300 pages, weighing nearly 40 pounds and measuring 16.9 30.7 by 32.4 by 18.1 inches when operational. The ET5850 is quite substantial. It houses two 250-sheet paper cassettes, a 50-sheet dedicated media tray, a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, and a duplexer for double-sided printing. It also supports scanning and copying of two-sided documents via the ADF. The user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen offers large buttons for easy menu selection. You can drag menu icons across the screen similar to a smartphone. The help screens and animated instructions are well organized and intuitive. Performance-wise, the ET5850 is speedy. It prints a 5-page text document in just 19.6 seconds, equivalent to 15.3 pages per minute, ppm. It produces high-quality glossy photos in slightly over 2 minutes using the dedicated media tray. The printer also excels in double-sided printing with minimal speed loss compared to single-sided prints. When it comes to copying, the ET5850 outshines many competitors. It produces a black and white copy in a record 6.7 seconds, making it the fastest inkjet all-in-one we've seen. It's also quick at producing color copies and high-resolution scans. Lastly, the print quality of the EcoTank ET5850 is exceptional, delivering crisp, laser-like text. This extends to double-sided prints, which are equally sharp. In sum, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 is an excellent investment for those seeking a high-performance, cost-effective printer. In our review of printers for 2024, the Brother MFC J4335DW emerged as a strong contender and an excellent alternative choice. The Brother MFC J4335DW is not just a printer, it's a versatile machine that prints, scans, copies, and even handles faxing tasks. It functions as an independent fax machine and allows you to send faxes from your computer through the Brother Fax application or a compatible driver that supports virtually any Windows program. The printer's paper handling capabilities make it ideal for small businesses, home offices, or personal use. It comes with a 150-sheet drawer and a bypass feature, enabling you to insert individual sheets of special purpose paper or letterhead. Like many modern printers, the MFC J4335DW supports automatic duplex printing. Brother recommends a monthly duty cycle ranging from 250 to 2,000 pages. However, considering the capacity of the paper tray, a more realistic maximum would be around 600 pages per month or 150 pages per week. For higher volume needs, a printer with a larger capacity would be more suitable. While the scanning, copying, and faxing capacities could seem a bit limited, they're typical for this price range. An added advantage of the MFC J4335DW over more economical all-in-one AIO models is the inclusion of an automatic document feeder, ADF, alongside its letter-sized flatbed scanner. Mobile device users can benefit from Brother's downloadable apps designed for Android and iOS. These apps not only allow printing from and scanning to your device, but also include a copy function and maintenance options for the printer, as well as facilitate ordering ink or paper. Brother rates the MFC J4335DW's printing speed at 19 pages per minute for color prints and 20 pages per minute for black and white, outperforming many inkjet AIOs in similar price range. The output quality is suitable for most homes or business needs. The Brother MFC J4335DW truly deserves a round of applause for its performance and features. Good stuff. Introducing the crowning champion of printers in 2024, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. This printer is an exceptional choice for small offices or home-based businesses due to its high-quality performance and excellent page yield. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E stands out for its efficient printing speed. It quickly delivers the first page of your document and continues at a respectable pace for black text documents. Its automatic document feeder, ADF, is capable of scanning two-sided documents in a single pass, simplifying the process of converting physical copies into digital searchable PDFs. This model operates with 4 ink cartridges, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and is compatible with HP 962 and 962 XL cartridges. Its connectivity options are extensive, including USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. Additionally, it offers the convenience of printing directly from a USB flash drive. Its scanner is equipped with an ADF and supports dual-pass automatic duplex scanning. To enhance the usability of scanned documents, it comes with software-based optical character recognition. The control panel of the 9015E is a compact 2.7-inch touchscreen, devoid of any additional buttons or navigation keys. However, most of the functions available on the control panel can also be accessed through HP's embedded web server, a feature incorporated into the firmware of many HP printers. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E boasts a maximum monthly duty cycle of 25,000 pages, with a suggested monthly volume of 1,500 pages, placing it at the higher end of its competitive range. It supports Ethernet, Wi-Fi, single PC connectivity via USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi Direct. This last feature allows your mobile devices to connect directly to the printer without needing to be part of a network. For those concerned about security, the 9015E provides basic encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, and document protection. HP Plus enhances these features with additional cloud-based security options. In summary, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is a worthy winner of the best printer title in 2024. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's That's it for the top 5 printers in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.